Okay, now let's start a topic global warming or greenhouse effect. What it is? So first of all, I'll tell what are the greenhouse gases: carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide, ozone. So when sunlight has three parts: UV radiations, infrared radiations, and visible light. We know that UV radiations are not allowed by the ozone layer. They will remain only outside because they are cancer causing and so many ill effect of these UV radiation. So only two rays will enter: infrared radiation and visible light. Visible light cause we can see the things because of visible light. Infrared radiation, when they will enter, they have a short wavelength, you can see. So atmosphere will allow the short wavelength, so they will be absorbed by the ground, they will be absorbed by these gases. Okay, so these infrared radiations are absorbed by all these greenhouse gases. Because of the absorption by the gases of the atmosphere, the temperature of the atmosphere increases day by day, and we are releasing these gases are released by industries, automobiles, and for domestic purpose. When we are burning anything at home, so because of this increase of gases, temperature of the earth increases day by day. Earlier the temperature was very less, and because of the increase of temperature, weather is changing day by day, and because of increase of these gases, you can say the flood has to come, the polar ice start melting, and when the polar ice start melting, everywhere the situation of flood can be there. So this is all about global warming and greenhouse effect. So you can say that when the increase of temperature will take place by absorption of heat by the some kind of a gases, this is called as global warming or greenhouse effect.